Chef D's Bistro. I am back. I took a couple of weeks off from doing some podcasting, but I am back. Tonight's episode is entitled Lead the Kitchen. And the theme is leadership is shown through actions, not through words. This season, we've been building discipline, mastering timing, staying consistent, respecting the craft. But tonight, we're going to talk about something that is a little bit bigger. Leadership. In the kitchen, somebody has to lead. Not just give directions, but set the tone. Tell people how to move, what preparations need to be done, and also set the standard. Or in other words, what is expected while you're in the kitchen. Real leadership isn't loud. It's consistent. It shows up prepared, staying focused, handling pressure the right way. People follow what you do. In the kitchen, people don't just listen to what you say. They look at what you do. Let me rephrase that. They watch what you do. How you respond, how you work, and how you carry yourself. Before you can lead anybody else, you must lead yourself first. Your habits, your mindset, your discipline. So here's our question for tonight. Are you leading your life or just reacting to it? And if someone followed your example, where would it lead them? Now that's a good question for a leader right there. So if you're a leader listening to this podcast, set the tone, raise the standard, and lead by example. Thank you for pulling up a chair here at Chef D's Bistro. Stay sharp, stay consistent, and never step out of the kitchen. Because I won't. I'ma always be in the kitchen cooking something and serving people. Thank you and have a good night. You can find my podcast on Apple Music, iHeartRadio, Amazon Music, Google Cast, and all other podcast platforms, and now on YouTube.